In this video, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp cannot create group. If you're having issues creating a group within WhatsApp, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do in these situations is instead of adding a lot of people all at once for a particular group, you can first of all try adding one specific person. If one specific person can be easily added in, only then you can try adding in a lot of people. So try this first of all and try to see if the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, you'll also need to ensure that if you haven't created a lot of group all at once. So if you have created multiple groups within WhatsApp, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So in this situation, what you need to do is wait for at least 24 hours before you try to create a new group again. Now, if this is not the case for you and if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can try out is try to clear out the WhatsApp cache. So just tap and hold the app of WhatsApp, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on clear cache. If you're using an iOS device, you need to offload the application. Now, even after trying all of these steps, you're still facing this issue. The last thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the application of WhatsApp. So in these situations, what happens is mostly bugs cause these sort of issues. So once you update the application and have the latest version, any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.